of this car. Hope the rest of the squad did not follow. Don't mind me if I sound kind of sick. But I guess I could tell you what's going on. Right now, there's two Harleys behind me. I guess they're Harleys, I think. And one of them just got it. And it's his first bike and his first time riding. So we're going chill, taking it easy. And he's with his dad. And then I'm with Steven here at Road to Recovery on YouTube. Ooh. Steven started a YouTube. He's gonna get a mic soon and stuff, and we'll probably make some collab type stuff, kind of like the Jigsaw Brown Maxi stuff, or like kind of how Brian 636 does Hood Eats. I don't really want to rip off Hood Eats though, so whatever we can do to make it our own kind of thing. I want to start using my handbrake, dude. I've had this thing just sitting here for a while. It's kind of been a while since I recorded. There was a day, I don't know when it was, the other day, maybe yesterday, I wanted to record stuff, did a bunch of cool stuff, and my GoPro was dead. It was on 100% battery the day before, and then it was on 0 when I tried to record stuff. Like, I don't know how did it lose battery when it wasn't even on? Just for being in the GoPro? It's pretty sucky. Whatever, I guess. Maybe I'll go for like a longest wheelie. I just got hit in the head by a massive ass bug. Everybody here? Bet. Trying to put myself in. Oh shit! Mess it up. Put myself in the most comfortable position possible, and then go for distance. Using the foot brake, not the hand brake. It's kind of close to this car. Wow, that was a crazy recovery. I can only lean to the right though. Since I'm using the foot brake, I can't lean to the left. Pretty crazy. Oh, am I really gonna fuck it up here? Nope. My arms are burning. Not sure what's up here. Is it a stop sign? Okay, my arms are tired. It's pretty cool making it through those curves though. My arms are tired, dude. It's not very cold out here, so I'm kind of sweaty now.
We got a call here for a 211 breaking and entering. I heard there was some Twitter talk, heard someone was talking trash. I need it back up ASAP.
Forcing on your door, big bird. Mosey through your crib at night like I'm Squidward. Went through your hallway. Run it up, on the lane from the coupe to the bay. Sneak this, I'ma pull up where you stay. Act up, cause I seem like a bay. Stick to the script, bitch, we on Broadway.
I'm gonna steal your shit.
I'm gonna steal your shit.
I'm gonna steal your shit.
We're gonna steal your shit.
This ain't a stick up, this a lockdown. When I hit you with that Glock, you gon' drop down. He, him, shut the fuck up, that's my pronoun. Amazon Prime to my hometown. That's your bitch, she gon' end up with the whole crew. I'm about to get it in, won't stop, Lord knows I'm about to sin. Slide at the still and me again. If you see me, don't go running to the cops.
Forcing on your door, big bird. Mosey through your crib at night like I'm Squidward. Went through your
got it.
On the lane from the coupe to the lane. Sneak this and I'll pull up where you stay. Act up, cause
Let's
it seems
go.
like a fade. Stick to the
That
script,
one was
bitch, we on
nice.
Broadway.
I'm gonna steal your shit.
Might go for like a long knee knocker. My GoPro I just saw only has like 9% battery though, so we'll see if it even makes it through on my battery. The wind's kind of pushing me to the left. It's helping me. Trying to get my hand over it more. My leg is getting sore too. I got a feeling this is going to be my longest wheelie recorded. Oh, my arm's burned though. I'm going to have to do this on a day where I haven't rode for like a couple days or something. Oh, why am I going to the right so far? There's a stop sign. There is. Dang. I don't know if I can make it through this left curve anyway. Nope. Wait. Nope. Oh. That was so long. It says that my gas just drained drastically. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Holy crap, my arm's burned, bro. How long do you think that was? It wasn't recording?
Oh, I think I turned it off before you started.